Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of Vijeo Designer Training. I'm your host, Leandro Man, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can use the recipes on the HMI and use USB in order to get the data from the recipes and then we candidate it. So let's go to the software. Yep. So hopefully you saw the previous two videos about how I created this program and how we can upload and download the recipes from Vijeo Designer. Now what we're going to do is almost the same but using the USB stick. So I got this recipe working fine, okay, no issues. So what we need to do now is to check how we can upload or retrieve from the HMI the recipes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to use USB stick, and this one's gonna be for download. Download. Okay. Download from the from the HMI to the USB stick. Okay. Text color is gonna be gray. No, black. Download. Okay, so I got this button. Good. Now there is a specific function that we need in order to download the recipe files into a USB stick. So Word, copy data from drive, copy data to drive. Okay, this is gonna be our HMI to the USB. So the destination optional drive is gonna be this one. Okay, hopefully, and I'm going to select the CSV. Okay, you can have the possibility to have something that you want to, but I'm going to leave it as default. And then add. Then what I'm going to do is to wait a delay for 2 seconds, and I'm going to copy it again, but I'm going to copy the RCP file format. Maybe it doesn't allow me to do it. Only one at a time. So, okay. I'm going to download that's a CSV. CSV. Okay. And then I'm going to put this one here. No more space. Okay. This one here. I'm going to use the RCP format. RCP. And then what I'm going to do is to upload. And if I'm not wrong, we have copy from drive and we have different formats. So I'm going to use this one. Okay. And need to edit this. Copy that from drive. RCP. There we go. And it will go to this address. Okay. So upload, brilliant, it's fine. On the target, the only thing that I need to double check is which is the application. It's gonna be from main drive. User application. There is one particular place that allow me the access to select data location. See here, the only additional is the optional drive. Okay. So seems that the programming is done. So what I'm going to do now is to download this to the HMI. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I need to close this one. Then I will open again. Vijeo Viewer. Too many things doing it at the same time. Mm-hmm. Okay, it's downloading the application. You can see it's booting up, downloading. Just need to find the Vijeo viewer. Vijeo. Come on, Windows. Doesn't want to work. Okay, just going to open on my side, trying to find that. Vijeo viewer, to see where is it. Vijeo viewer. Okay. I'm going to open it. It's on the other side of the screen. Okay. Next is booting up. Yep. Let's wait for it. Okay, so monitor connecting. Can see the HMI is already low on my side, but connecting to the target. There we go. So I got the things I have already programmed. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to show you first. I don't have anything here, and then it's up to you to trust me or not. Okay, so it's opening the other window. So nothing here on the USB driver. So now what I'm going to do is to remove it, connect it on the HMI. Oh. Okay, so it's connected. So what I'm going to do now is to download all these recipes. Just to show you that I have something new, I'm going to create a new one. Something new. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and save. Now I'm going to download this to the as a CSV file. Download. Hopefully it works. Then I'm going to down. Okay, there is a message here that says the USB is connected. Okay, fine. I'm going to download this. Okay, and hopefully I should be able to see it. There is maybe there is a bit for the USB status. Don't remember it, but okay. Already press it, and now let's see what's inside this. So you're going to connect, and the folder is empty. So what we need to do is to check this out. Optional drives. I need to check if FAT32, it should be fine. I'm try once again, but doing from the real target. Disconnected. Okay. It has done something. Or seems to be done something different. So let's connect from here. Yep, public projects target 1, data recipes. I download the CSV file. Okay. Need to open it. The window. So here, data, text column. This one is semicolon, finish. So here you can see they have the recipe names. You have here something new, and the values for the variable. Okay, and this is the recipe ID, number 6, and the other different things. So this is one way using the CSV file, which is fine. And this is the recipe file, the RCP. Not sure why this one didn't work. I need to double check that out. Maybe it doesn't work over here. Needs to be done on the target. Something to check, but it worked. So it worked when I use it on the real target. It worked. To double check why it doesn't work on this way, but no worries. So I pressed this once, did something. Now I got the file, got this file. This one, in order to open that one, what we need is the Vijeo Designer or Vijeo Designer Data Manager, which is this one. Okay, so this one we should be able to use local files on your target connection, and I believe here I didn't put the things here. Not sure if it's going to work, guys. Because I haven't selected anything, so not sure. You have a possibility to retrieve files and send files. No, it's okay. So my idea is to show you local files, because once you retrieve the files using the USB stick, you can modify it. So here you have convert recipes or data logins or edit the recipe files. So next, and here we just need to call the file, the RCP. So I'm going to call it. Okay, open it again. Public projects, target 1, data, recipes, recipe control group, and this one. Okay, open. And here you can see they have all of them in a nice way. Okay, and then for example, if we want to change this to 1.1, to 2, 3, this is also a way to have like a backup in a way. So yes, save, and let's only KP. Let's put this one 15 better than 100. So 100, save it. Save it. exit. So hopefully something has been done here. We can try again. So let's open the data manager and see if that one works. Local files, next, edit, next. This one, open, and you can see it has the latest one. So now I got the information on my USB. I'm going to remove it. I got the information here. Now I'm going to put it back on the USB port. I have the notification on the HMI, not here, that says the USB is connected. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to upload the recipe. Not sure if it's going to work using the web gate. Okay, so let's see, only KP. No. No. So I'm going to try to do now on the physical HMI. So I'm going to upload. You see, something new has changed. Not only KP is also changed. So I believe it's a limitation on the web gate, okay, that we need to check. But if you are in front of the target and if you press this copy to copy from or copy to drive, then it works. As I show you, just press it and there was no information before on the USB, so this means that it works. But this is one way to doing it. Okay, so you can use the CSV file. Of course, you need to delimit it by semicolon and then put it back. But sometimes that can cause some issues, so it's much better to use the Vijeo Data Manager. It can be installed separately, okay, on the PC. But this is how you can use for the backups and upgrade the recipes on the Vijeo Designer, and you just close it. Brilliant. So those are the function blocks that we can use in order the functions that we can use on the HMI in order to retrieve the recipes and also for update the recipes on the actual HMI using USB stick. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.